Hey guys, AK88 on cars, and this is 10 interesting things in 60 seconds on the Nitron NTR R3 suspension set. Let's get into it. Nitron are a race-derived UK business that specialise in making high-quality forged aluminium suspension components. And this is the two-piece 46mm piston version. Features a fully floating aluminium separator piston, which keeps the compressed nitron gas separate from the main body of the shock. Each of the end spherical bearings include Teflon lining, and this version also includes helper springs. Here you can see the one-piece design on the left and the two-piece R3 design on the right. There are three types of adjustment on this type of shock, including the 24-click rebound adjustment at the bottom. And then in the floating separator piston, you have low-speed compression adjustment 26 clicks and high-speed compression adjustment 16 clicks. Each of the floating separator pistons features Nitron's 720-degree biaxial swivel. Each Nitron set is handmade to order. Mine was made by P. Dowsett in early 2022. For 10 interesting things in less than 60 seconds. Guys, I hope you liked this quick fire video. I made it because I couldn't find a lot of other reviews and detailed looks at this particular product. If you want to see what else is going on my car along with this, please check out the link above. And if you like the content, a subscribe is always appreciated. Catch you on the flip side.